Hi everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to enable and configure a default internal technician for specific locations and trades. To get started, navigate to My Company and open the Contractors tab. Here you'll find the option to enable default internal technicians. Once enabled, each location can have designated technician automatically prioritized based on location, trade, and work order priority. Next, navigate to the location you want to configure. For example, location 100. Open the Rate Assignment tab and select the appropriate trade and choose the technician you want to designate as the default internal technician. You can also define which work order priorities the rule applies to, such as P1, P2, P3, P4, schedule, or whichever work order priorities you want to assign it to. Once you've selected the technician and the applicable priorities, click Save. Going forward, whenever a new work order is created that matches the configured location, trade, and priority, the default internal technician will automatically appear at the top of the contractor selection list. Operators still have full control and can manually choose a different contractor or technician if needed. This feature helps streamline dispatching while ensuring preferred internal technicians are surfaced first for the appropriate work orders.